Let's make an erupting volcano for the science fair. Take an empty cardboard box. Place an empty bottle in the middle of the box. Fix the bottle with glue so that it doesn't move. Now place a funnel over the bottle neck. Add baking soda into the bottle over the funnel. Now scrunch up some newspaper around the bottle with just head being open. Make a masking tape frame around the newspaper. Now place the clay around the newspaper to give it a look like a volcano mountain. Take some vinegar in a flask. Add food coloring into the vinegar. Pour the vinegar into the opening of the volcanic mountain. Eruption time. See the volcano erupting lava. Morlez, a chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. There is not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread out, so it leaves through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption.